everybody. Mark Guevara here with CRMS. Follow us along today as we finish yet another re-roof project. We're in the city of Manville today. So we're gonna have to get this roof Windstorm-Certified. So there's a lot of small things that we're gonna have to do differently from the other roofing claims that we work out. So we'll walk y'all through that process as well. Might be able to use some of these. I guess we'll find out. Luis, ahorita que tenés un lugar, ya tienes la basura acá, que caigas. Después acá que caiga la basura, la tiran de una. En vez de quitar acá y tirar,
sí, es mejor.
comenzamos desde arriba.
Ajá, primero hasta allá.
Sí, y ahorita voy por las lunas y regreso, los tiramos y ahorita llega Juan.
Ok.
Cristian, ¿y el otro ayudante?
Está rico, así está rico, nice, very good, nice thing.
No, ya a mediodía va a estar
¿Sí?
bueno para trabajar, ya a mediodía.
Porque casi todo el día, frito.
¿Estaría el lunar? ¿Ah? No, yo ya les diciendo que esta... Juan, always late.
You gotta check his,
He's fired, bro. Fired, that guy.
he's not the employee of the month anymore.
Nah. Hell no. Not at this
Supposed to
rate.
show up early.
Yeah. He said 7:22. He's got 8 minutes. If not, we're cutting his pay by half. You see what happens when you give somebody a little bit of praise? Employee of the month. Look at everybody else here on time. Don't let the fame consume you. Let's go. Hey, all the fans saying employee of the month letting us down, not being there on time. What you gotta say to him? What was your excuse, bro?
Nothing, brother.
You're tired, bro. I told you so yesterday, bro.
How ass is? Man, my fucking legs are sore, dog. Just...
Hey, I think we're gonna need you to reach out to one more helper, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I don't think Christian's guy's coming. I was supposed to bring one clavador and help with what I told me to. No, pero ahorita vamos a ver si conseguimos otro. Esta es la que tenía yo acá atrás. Esta no hace switch. Bueno, entonces regresaste y la otra apenas estaba.
¿Hay que bajar todo eso, no?
¿Ah?
Hay que bajar todo eso, te...
Sí.
¡Ey! Ojalá no se venga una tempestad de agua. Ojalá no se venga una tempestad de agua, Dios. Tanto que madruga este pelado.
¿Ah?
Sientes que tu llave apenas